Every kid I know loves playing with dough and with modeling clay. And this set has molds to make 3D dinosaurs. There's rolling pins, cutters, knives, all kinds of cool stuff. So I could not wait to get this. I have not opened this yet. I just untaped it. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, everything's very colorful. I like the size of these. Look at that. That is gonna make the cutest dinosaur. We have a roller. We have another regular rolling pin. We have several molds. Let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different molds. We have cutters. This is a regular cutter. And then look at this. This is a scalloped cutter. Very cool. We have, not sure what this, oh, I know what this is. This, you put the stamp or embosser, I'm not sure what you want to call this, but you put this on here. There we go. And then you can stamp shapes in there. So, and then there's cookie cutters, another small rolling pin, a knife. This is going to be so much fun. All right. You can tell that this dough has been used many times. So let's roll this out. Okay, we're gonna use a stamp first. So this is the fish stamp. Look at that. Oh, cute, cute. Kids are gonna love this. And this is a good size for younger kids, but older kids will enjoy this as well. Let's turn this over. Let's cut out some shapes. That's an elephant color, don't you think? Look at that. Elephant. My granddaughter is 8. She loves Play-Doh. She is going to love this. Actually, we're probably going to have to get some new Play-Doh. We need some new dough or maybe some modeling clay. And let's see what else we have. Oh, I know what else we're going to do. Okay, so let's slide that back. Roll this out. Here we go. Okay, so we have the regular cutter here. Ooh, look how good that cuts. Perfect. And then we have the scalloped one here. Oh, look at that. It makes ridges. So you could make, this looks like pasta. So much fun. Kids are going to love this. This is great if you have homeschool kids, if you just have your own kids that you're trying to keep busy, if you do daycare, if you want to add this to your school supplies. Let's see, and we have to try one of these molds. Let's see, whoops, actually we don't need to do that. Let's see. Okay, we have to try one of these molds. Okay, so when you get ready to do the mold, you don't want too much in there. You want it to be full, but you don't want a lot hanging off. Might have gotten too much on that one, so I can wipe it off with my finger. Let's put it up there in the head. All right, let's do this side. So this is gonna make a 3D shape, which is super cool because once you make all the different shapes of dinosaurs, the kids can play with them like a play set. And if you do these in modeling clay and let them air dry or dry them in the oven, you could keep these indefinitely. Okay. Oops, let's get his tail there. Okay, let's see how this works. Let's put it together. Hope I got this right. Oh, look at that, look at this. All right, and then you peel the extra off and look at that. It is a perfect 3D dinosaur. Oh my gosh. How stinking cute is that? Look, here's the other side. So this is going to be so much fun for little boys. There's also another set with different shapes. This is going to be a lot of fun for little boys, but I can tell you the girls are going to want to do this too.